much too far to see, and the night feels like eternity. A flicker glows, a gentle spark, guiding me home, lanterns in the dark. In the quiet, they softly sing a melody of hope they bring. Through the storm, their light will stay, chasing all my fears away. Lanterns in the dark, shining so bright, leading me forward through the endless night. With every step, their glow will mark the path to hope. Lanterns in the dark, each flame is lit with love and care, a beacon when